Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build a landing page or website, definitely it's better to use the website building platforms, and in this video I want to show you one that is very efficient, is very powerful, everything is drag and drop. You have a lot of templates in 38 business categories, and definitely everything can be built here under 1 hour. And I want to make this video as short as possible with the maximum value because the editor of this platform is absolutely insane, fast, adaptable, and convenient tool, and you can build everything up in under 1 hour for sure. Before I started to show you everything, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to this platform from our team, to our subscribers, to our friends. So jump in, pass the simple registration with your Google account or with your Facebook even, and you can jump in, and in that case we can be on the same page and you'll understand and you'll be able to try this by your own hands. And we jump in straight to business. Let's go to the dashboard. That's how it looks from inside. You need to press this plus button on top of the page, and you'll be on the spot with the templates that I've talked about previously. You can sort them by best, new, one pager, general, and all the categories. Look at that impressive list. You can really find something that will be suitable for your business purposes. And in that case, in that spot, actually, you need to be as specific as possible. And when you're gonna find the template that is as close as possible to your business, you need to customize it a little bit, and everything will work like really fast, and you can get working website really under 1 hour. I'm sure about that. Let's use any template, because editor is the same, and it doesn't matter which type of the page you want, the big one with a lot of pages or the small one with just one simple layout on one page. This is the editor. The site is uploading, and let's start from the start. Not now, I know how to use that. Let's start from the start. All the sites are totally adaptive for any platforms, for tablet and mobile, and you can switch between those to check how it will be displayed in different types of devices. So you need to build it once and everything will work properly on any type of devices. Here in design, you can change the colors. There are pre-built color schemes that you can use to customize your website really fast, or you can of course create a custom scheme that will suit to maybe your colors of your brand, if you have one, or some else things. Yeah, look at that. There's a gallery, there's simple layout actually, and we can change everything. You see, just with one click, all the buttons change the color, and you can customize these themes. Let's go to fonts. Also, you can switch between the fonts just with one click, and everything will be changed on your all of your pages instantly from one spot. Talking about the pages, let's go here to site pages, and we see that there's a home, prices, services, our work, and contact on separate pages. You can build your layout if you have no lot of information. You can build it up on one page, or you can add some extra pages. You can delete them. You can duplicate those pages straight from this spot. 404 privacy policy and user agreement. Pop-up windows can be managed also here. So let's go to builder straight, and I'm gonna show you what's happening here. Header and footer, one more option, header and footer that you can find here in the design button. Header and footer can be switched on or off, depends on your needs. Let's go to pages. I showed you the pages, I showed you the pop-ups. Let's go to builder. When you're hovering over the surface, you see that everything built with the blocks. One block, second block, third block with the gallery, and the footer. Okay, so everything is pretty simple. When you're hovering over the surface of each block, you see that which element is inside. Like there's a slider, and pressing on this slider, you see the options to change the slider. Yeah, and you can drag a files. You can choose from library, themed library. What's that? Haircuts alone, for example. Maybe something. Well, you get an idea that there are a lot of themed library pictures that you can use. It's overlay, text, button. Just you can keep this slider. And for example, we need the extra block between those. You can grab each block with this 6 dots space and move them around to replace between each other. Or you can use the blank containers. Let's add some container here. You see, it's white, it's transparent. Let's go to widgets, and the platform asks you to drag widgets from the left panel. I want to put some image here. It's gonna be image. Let's replace this dummy image to any of those available from the library. Let it be the haircut. Doesn't matter for the moment. You can move this picture around. Okay. We want to say a couple words about this text. About this picture. We're grabbing the text, and you see when you're hovering over the surface, you see where exactly the text will be inserted. Bam! Now you have the text, you have an image, and look at that. Now we have 2 columns. One column with the text and the second with an image. And when you grab in this divider line, you can move things around and they are reshaping by itself. And this is insane, really, because a lot of other platforms not allows you to do that, and it just can be done with the specific spots. And here everything is customizable. Clicking on the text, you can change the style of this text. It can be heading, it can be whatever you want. You can make it all bold. You can change the alignment and so on. You can move things around. Also, you can add some extra things like button, but button here is not looking professional and beautiful, so you can move this element around to this spot, for example. I don't want an image to be here. I want to show the video of this place. Where's that video? Just grabbing the video and putting it here. Resizing this element a little bit, and the video is bigger now. Now button is sticked to the text. Grabbing the structure element like space and putting it here. Now you see that also this block sticked to the previous one, so we grabbing a spacer and we can put it in different spots. Only in front of the text or to the entire space of 2 columns. Same thing here. And now we have the separate block that is pretty well done. Just to show you, I want to change the color of the background. And you see that we have the borders, we have everything here. By pressing on space, we can reshape the spacer itself, clicking on it, and moving the elements in the shape that we want. Isn't that cool? I believe that this is really cool. And there are a lot of tools, like steps, how to order the service. Yeah, place your order, confirmation, payment. You can change all that. I'm just showing you that everything is pretty well done and fast and easy. Gallery also can be reshaped to one of the options. I want the slider, for example, to be here. I don't want it to be like on the all page. And that's really cool that you can build everything up with just a couple clicks. To change the alignment, to change the shape of each element. And there are a lot of elements like timer, price list, reviews, basic buttons, and so on. So let's talk about the buttons actually, because you see schedule visit. All right, this button linked to some option. Yeah, and this button is not. So all the styles can be changed with this small drop button. Background color, all the buttons are pretty red here. Let's make it like that. And the main thing is this link, this small chain button. Let's press it. And we have the options that we can apply to this button. So web address, page, anchor, pop-up window, phone, email, or no links. Make sure that every button on your page has one of those options. In most cases, you're going to use the pop-up and schedule a visit. You see email and preferred time. Let's go to form. Email, maybe we need the name of the human being on the other side, and we need the phone number, maybe. Preferred time can be set as optional, or phone number can be set as optional, or email can be. So the idea is that more fields, less chances that human being on other side will complete the form. So you really need to get information, only the information that you need, and you can set things as optional. Like preferred time is optional and phone number is optional. And that is cool thing. So what's gonna be sent, what the message will be displayed after sending, you can change it here. Advanced settings, couple of them. Send to, this is very important part. So where the information will be sent to, information will be sent to your email, to additional email. Maybe you have the separate one for this project, and maybe you have a couple of the projects, or you can connect the Ammo CRM or Board CRM systems, and those are really impressive and really powerful tools that will manage all your clients inside one spot, and you can connect your sales team to that CRM system, and so on and so on. And this is really incredible tools, and if you know nothing about them, I suggest you to dig deeper about those two, because they're really insane. But if you need to get a lot of notifications, it's better to use the CRM. But it's pretty enough to get notifications to your email if you have 1 or 2 or 3 per day, and you can manage it by yourself. It's pretty enough. You can add and delete all those tools, all those buttons, all those forms can be deleted, can be replaced, can be like customized to any of your purposes, literally. And you see the footer also can be changed, and you have some things here, social networks, a lot of interesting tools, a lot of widgets that can be added to your page to get the shape actually that you want, and that will be suitable for your business purposes, that will be that will describe your business as better, as much, and all the pros and cons, maybe only the pros will be shown. But the main purpose is to get information, actually. Yeah, to get contact information from your client in any business. And it's not, it doesn't matter you're building up a big website with a navigation, or you're building a landing page. Definitely one of the most important parts is contact forms and buttons. And make sure that you switch them on. I want to say that nobody except you can describe your business better, and nobody except you can create an offer to the market that will be tasty and catchy. So it's up to you. You just need to try, and I hope that you get an idea that on this platform you can manage everything by your own hands. You can build everything up really fast, and you can go live with your business idea literally in 1 day. Definitely, I'm sure about that, because I tried, and this, I showed you that everything is changing fast, simple, and it can be done like under 1 hour. All the editing things can be done under 1 hour. So if you want to try, use the link in the description panel of this video, jump to the platform and start building your own landing page or website. It doesn't matter, the editor is the same, and just literally anybody can handle that. And you do, you can handle that by your own hands. You just need to try. I hope this was useful, guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope this information is valuable for you, and now you get an idea that you can build everything up by your own hands and really fast. Thanks, cheers, take care. Start doing your own business in internet, and this platform will help you a lot. Thanks, cheers, bye-bye, and see you in the next video.